Take the leap to invest in yourself, to come out to the events that we do. Definitely stop hesitating. There's a reason why you see it all over social media. We have fun and we change lives.
But if I can never view maximum effort consistently, I cannot make you better. Because if I don't know where your max is, how can I elevate you from that standing point? If you're only giving me 90%, I can't take you to 100%. You got to give me 100% so I can take you beyond 100%. Go get it now, because it has an expiration date.